The last few videos we've been looking at SysML, and we're going to continue that again today. And I believe we're going to look at state machines within system modeling or SysML.
It is a very simple diagram, but it gives a huge amount of information and allows a modeler to describe the transitions between discrete states that a part of the system can be in. So let's get started. And the first thing I need to do is to put an initial state on. That's what I like to do. So the other thing I like to do is put on a final. So I'm going to put that final one on there. That is actually a final. That's a final state. Let's drop a state onto the diagram as well, and we'll call this one idle. Let's put another state in, Scott, and we'll call it the operating state. And we can put it down here a little bit, and we'll call it operating. This has indicated to us that we're going to have some substates in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in a relationship between these elements, start connecting them up. The transition there is pretty much the only relationship, so not much to think about there. I'll put a relationship into that. We've got that transition happening, and I'll put a relationship in to my operating state. So that's a transition as well there. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put some substates in here, and I'm going to put this one as closed. I'm going to put in a transition from this one into the closed, and it's a transition. We're going to have an opening state. So let's just put one of those in so we can see what's going on here. And we'll draw a connector between there. We can now look at this connector and put in some notes about it. The guard is going to be valid ticket. You'll see that pops up on the diagram there. Yeah, we've done a little bit more work on the diagram, and you can see that we've got three main states and then also the system halted. But that's it for state machines, Scott.